Hello everyone, I welcome you all in a virtual classes program of JetKids International School at Home. And today we are going to continue our 6th standard mathematics exercise 3.4. And I am your mathematics teacher JM Khan. So let us start without wasting time. Let us start our exercise 3.4. Right? So in our exercise 3.4, the first question is find the common factors of. Okay, first question, common factors, right? Then the first question is 20 and 28. A is 20 and 28. You know very well how to find out factors of. Now I am increasing speed, so pay attention. So factors of 20, that is equal to, first 1 multiplied by 20. Okay, clear? 1 number, 1 and number itself. Then it is divisible by 2, right? Then it is divisible by 4 and 5. 4 multiplied by 5, 2 multiplied by 10, 20, 1 multiplied by 20. See, this is factors. Okay, then factors of 28 is equal to 1 multiplied by 28, then 2 multiplied by 14. Is it divisible by 3? Just check it. 8 plus 2, 10. No. Is it divisible by 4? Yes. 4 multiplied by 7. Right? That's it. So here we got our common factors 1, 2 and 4. Right? So common factors. This is how you will write your answers, right? 1, 2 and 4. Clear? So this is how you will write your answers. Since question B is given over here, 15 and 25. So factors of, hey, I am writing FAC fact of 15. So you have to write it full. Okay, factors of 15, like 1 multiplied by 15. Now whole factors will lie between these, right? 1 multiplied by 15, 1 and number itself. Then it is not divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3. Yes. 3 multiplied by 5. Right? Then no other number. Clear? 1, 3, 5, 15. Clear? 3 and 5. Right? Then 25. Factors of 25 is 1 multiplied by 25, then 5 multiplied by 5. That's it. Right? So we have our answer 1. Okay, it cannot be divided by 3, it cannot be divided by 4. You can see it cannot be divided by 6, not by 7, not by 8, not by 9, not by 10. Right? So you can check it. So here we have common factors 1 and 5. Common factor is 1 and 5. Clear? Take a screenshot. The next question, that is C. C is here. Factors of 35 and 50. Okay. 35 and 50. So factors of 35 is equals to, first 1 multiplied by 35. Is it divisible by 2? No. Is it divisible by 3? No. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 is not divisible. Is it divisible by 4? No. Is it divisible by 5? Yes. 5 sevens are. Here 5 sevens are. Clear? Then no other. Right? 5, 7. Now 6 is remain if not by 2 or 3. So now factors of 50, right? 1 50, then 2 25, right? Then 5 10. Clear? Clear? 10 25, sorry, 5 multiplied by 10, 2 multiplied by 25, 50 multiplied by no other will divide 50 exactly. Clear? So we have our answer over here, that is 1 and 5 common factors is 1 and 5. Clear? Next D. D is 56 and 120. This is PH, right? But now the greater number is here, so just have a look how I am finding factors of 120. Okay, so I am just taking first step 1 and 120, right? 1 multiplied by 120, and we know very well 1 and the number itself are always a factor, right? Then is it divisible by 2? Yes. 2 multiplied by how much? 60, right? Now it will be decreasing and it will be increasing. Clear? Now is it divisible by 3? Yes. 3 multiplied by 40, right? Then again 4. Is it divisible by 4? Yes. 4 multiplied by 30. Clear? Then again 4, and then after that 5. Is it multiplied by 5? Yes. 5 multiplied by 24. Clear? Now we have one more thing. It is also divisible by 6. Okay, so we are lacking space over here, so I am writing this thing over here. Clear? So 6 multiplied by how much? After 5 it is 6. If it is divisible by 2 and 3, it is also divisible by 6. 6 20. Is it divisible by 8? Yes. It is not divisible by 7, right? So 8. 8 multiplied by 15, right? Then 12 multiplied by 10. This much factor we have: 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 12 10 15 20 24 30 40 60 120. So this is how you will find. It is easy. 1 2, just write check next divisibility and write multiplier of it. 2 multiplied by 60, then 3 multiplied by 40, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 40, 4 multiplied by 30, 5 multiplied by 24, 6 multiplied by 20, 8 multiplied by 15, and 12 multiplied by 10. So this is how you are going to find the factors of 120. So this is a PH, find out the common factor. So you will get 4 factors over here common, right? So just take a snap of it. Question number 2. Find the common factors of 4, 8, 12 and 5, 15, 25. 4, 8, 12. Now 3 numbers are given. Question number 2A. So factors of 4 is 1, 2, 4. No need to waste time. Factors of 8 is equals to 1, then 2, then 4, then 8. Right? Just a minute. Okay, now next is 12. Sorry for interruption due to light. 12, then 1, 12, then 2, 6, then 3, 4. That's it. Here we have common factors 1, 2, right, and 4, right? Common factors 1, 2, and 4. Clear? Next thing, B is 5, 15, 12. 5, 15, and 12. Okay, so just take a snap. We will do it from B, 5, 15, and 25. Right, so factor of 5, 1 and 5, that's it, no other factor. Then factor of 15, 1, 15, 3, 5. Clear? Then again, factor of 25, 1, 25, then 5. Clear? So, do we have a common factor here? Yes, 1, 1, 1, then 5, 5, 5. 1 and 5 is a common factors of 5, 15, and 25. Next question is question number 3. Find the first 3 common multiples. Okay, take a snap. Very simple. Question number 3. First 3 common multiple. Right? Okay. First 3 common multiple you have to find out for the given pairs. First is 6 and 8. Right? 6 and 8 is given first. So multiple of 6. Now multiple, we are dealing in multiple. Multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24 and so on. Right? Then multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32 and so on. Right? I gave you a trick already. This is 24. Right? So the common multiples, I can do it till 60, 72 and all from here also. But just use a trick, common multiples of 6 and 8. First common multiple is 24. Now no need to look after the our multiples. Okay, look after multiple, no need. There is no need. Just start 24, then 24 2s are 48, 24 3s are 72. First 3 multiples. Clear? For 24, 48, 72. Just find out first multiple, first common multiple, then take a table of it. 24 1s are 24, 24 2s are 48, 24 3s are 72. So here we go, and here we found the first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8. Okay, take a snap of it. Then next is 12 and 18. I'm erasing it. Take a snap. So B is here. And 18, right? So first multiples of 12, right? 12, 22, 36, 48 and so on. Multiple of, okay, you can write more multiples here, but just I am writing some only few. Why? Because I know which multiple are common. Okay, and we are lacking in a space. 18, 36, right? Then 54 and so on. So here we got our first multiple, that is 36, and the common multiples will be first 36, then 72, then 36 ones are 36, 36 twos are 72, 36 threes are 108. Clear? This is how you will find the first three common multiples of our 12 and 8. Clear? Take a snap. Next, and you can solve other. You can solve other questions for better understanding and for fluency. Next question, we will start question number 4. That is, write all the number less than 100 which are common multiple of 3 and 4. Pay attention. 3 and 4. Okay, common multiples you have to write. Right? 3 and 4 common multiple. Why? But less than 100. You know very well. 3. Multiple of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Multiples of 4. 4, 8. Then 12, then 16, and we got our first one, right? So common multiple less than 100. Common multiple less than 100 of 3 and 4. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, then 84, then 96, then how much? 108, right? 108, but it will be greater than 100. So our common multiple less than 100 will be equal to 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96. Clear? This is our question number 4, and we are done with our question number 4. Clear? So I'm rubbing it. Let us proceed to our question number 5. What is it about? It is about which of the following numbers are co-prime. Now you have to find the co-prime numbers, right? Question number 5. First one is 18 and 35. Right? So you know co-prime numbers. What is mean by co-prime number? Those number who has common factor only 1, right? That is 1. Okay. So 8 and 35, 18 and 35. Sorry. So factors. Okay. Always clear about. Read question very carefully. What is written over there? It is written digit or number. It is written factor or multiple. It is very important thing to concentrate on question first, right? So next 18. Common factors, 1 multiplied by 18, then 2 multiplied by 9, then 3 multiplied by 6. Clear? This is 18. Then factors of 35. 1 multiplied by 35. Then it is not divisible by 2. Okay, it is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 6. It is not divisible by 4. It is divisible by 5. That is 5 multiplied by 7. Right? So here we have our answer. So see, it decreases till 7. It increases till 5. Only 6 is remain. 6 is not a factor of 35. That's it. We got our answer. That's it. Here we are done with our factor. See, here we increase, here from here increasing, from here decreasing, right? The factors will lies between 1 and 35 only. 1 multiplied by 35, then 2 is nothing, not by 2, not by 3, not by 4. 5 multiplied by 7, it decreases to 7 and it increases to 5. Only remainder is 6. Remaining thing is 6 that we have to check, and it is not divisible by 6. That's why the factors are 1, 5, 7, 35. Clear? So here we have only one common factor. Yes. These are co-prime numbers because, right? Write the answer of because, you know variable, because the common factor, only one is a common factor in both. That's why these two are co-prime numbers, right? Then rest of B, C, D, E, F are PH, as you know. Okay, so we will finish it in our next class, and in next class we will look after few more divisibility tests, and after that co-prime factorization, right? So till then, stay safe, keep practicing. Thank you so much.